Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey May, and yeah, welcome to Bailey May Vlogs. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support and for always coming back to my channel. So you guys, in today's video, just like the title has suggested, I'll be making a banana smoothie, banana stroke avocado smoothie. I'm not sure what else I'm going to add, but then I wanted to add mango, but I kind of feel that it's going to be a lot. So yeah, so stay tuned and watch to the end. Comment, like, subscribe, for more videos. So guys, this is what I have banana here. I will be using this one avocado because it's already late, and I don't want to make a lot of smoothie. It's around 6, it's almost night time. So yeah, so if it works out, I'm going to be doing this maybe tomorrow in the morning. Yeah, basically, yeah, that's it. Bananas, they are already here in the blender. Yeah, so I'll be putting the avocados and milk and the rest of the stuff over there. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me guys, here is my smoothie. It's looking so rich. You can see. Yeah. So guys, I'm done. So here is my smoothie, and just even better. But this smoothie is mostly for weight gain. So if you want to gain weight, you can do this. But as for me, at this moment, I don't want to add it, so I would be taking a lot of it. But it's so sweet and it's so good. So anyway guys, so see you in my next video. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe, comment, and see you in my next one. Bye.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful.